To import Google Analytics tracking code, you need to start by creating a Google Analytics account. If you already have an account, sign in and navigate to the admin section. If you are new to Google Analytics, you will need to sign up for an account and follow the prompts to set up your property. Once you are in the admin section, select the property you want to add the tracking code to and click on Tracking Info. In the Tracking Info section, you will see the tracking code option. Click on it and you will be presented with the tracking code snippet. The tracking code snippet is a piece of JavaScript code that you will need to add to every page of your website. This code is unique to your Google Analytics property and allows Google Analytics to track user behavior on your website. To add the tracking code to your website, you have a few options. If you have a content management system such as WordPress, you can use a plugin to add the tracking code to your website. Alternatively, you can add the tracking code manually by copying and pasting it into the HTML of your website pages. It is recommended to add the tracking code to the header section of your website pages, as this will allow Google Analytics to track user behavior across all pages of your website. You should also make sure to add the tracking code to all pages of your website, including any subdomains or subfolders. Once you have added the tracking code to your website, you can verify that it is working by checking the real-time reports in Google Analytics. If the tracking code is working correctly, you should see user behavior data appearing in the real-time reports within a few minutes of adding the code. Best practices for adding Google Analytics tracking code include making sure to add the code to all pages of your website, testing the code to ensure it is working correctly, and keeping the code up to date with any changes to your website. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your Google Analytics tracking code is working effectively and providing you with accurate user behavior data.